All right, let's start now with this little flower that also has a tulipy pattern. And what's exciting now is that we are going to use 3 colors. We will start with the green, quite short thread, doesn't have to be long. We only have, I don't know, 8 stitches. Great. So actually, putting the thread through the needle is one important thing, and another very important thing is to manage to keep the thread on the needle, because when you pull the needle, sometimes you forget about the thread and the needle just flies away and you have to thread it again. All right, so we'll start upside down in the bottom left hole. No knot, just fixing thread with the finger at the back with the index. First diagonal, here, right at the top, another diagonal, here, vertical, diagonal, top, diagonal, top, diagonal, top, and we go back. So this pattern goes 5 and then 3 on the second row. So we need to move a little bit to the left. And we only have 3 at the center now. At the end, we're just going to pull the thread under. Now pink. Who here loves pink? I love pink and red. The 3 rows are finished, are done. And now we are going to start the little petally row. So here we start as usual in the top left hole, fix it, go right to the end with the diagonals, just like a normal row. And at the end, we finish the first cross stitch, and then we go up we do the first petal. Always try to keep the vertical on the back. So when you have to take a decision which way to go, just bear in mind that the vertical should be the way. For example, here you can go here or here, so just keep this direction so that it all looks nice and orderly. Ta-da! This time I had enough thread. So yeah, this is it. You have a really nice colorful pendant that you made yourself. Here we are going to make a knot.